Learn tools name and vocabulary. Caulking, caulking. Codeless drill, codeless drill. Electric drill, electric drill. Spirit level, spirit level. Hammer, hammer. Mallet, mallet. Pocket knife, pocket knife. Gimlet, gimlet. Brace, brace. A pair of scissors, a pair of scissors. Wrench, wrench. Adjustable wrench, adjustable wrench. Pipe wrench, pipe wrench. Lineman's pillars, lineman's pillars. Needle nose pillars, needle nose pillars. Diagonal pillars, diagonal pillars. Slip joint pillars, slip joint pillars. Hand saw, hand saw. Back saw, back saw. Coping saw, coping saw. Hacksaw, hacksaw. Chainsaw, chainsaw. Screwdriver, screwdriver. Bridwell, bridwell. Measure tape, measure tape. Thank you kids. I hope you enjoyed this video.